Good morning. Today, we are going to the zoo.
Wow! I am so happy!
Today is a special day. We are going to the zoo.
I am very excited! I want to see the elephants!
Let's go!
Look! The zoo is beautiful.
Yes, today we will learn many new things. Good morning. 5 tickets, please. Certainly. Here are your tickets. Thank you. Stay together. We have a big zoo to explore.
Okay, I will stay with everyone. Look! The elephant is spraying water. It is so funny.
Elephants are gentle and intelligent. Look, the lion.
Wow, he is beautiful.
We must respect wild animals.
Welcome to our bird show.
The birds are beautiful.
Listen. They are very smart.
Hello, hello.
My friend?
It can talk.
Some parrots can copy our words.
Grandma, the butterfly is beautiful.
Yes, it is very gentle. Be kind to nature. Learning is fun when we learn to row together.
This is the best Amar picnic.
Look, is eating bamboo.
It is so cute.
So cute. Pandas love bamboo.
Look, the monkey is copying me. That is so funny.
Yes, monkeys are very clever. Let's keep a safe distance. Look, the giraffe is very gentle.
It is so tall. I love giraffes.
Hello, are you lost?
Yes, I cannot find my mother.
Don't worry, we will help you. My daughter. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Kindness always helps.
Ready? Everyone, smile, please.
This was the best day.
Family makes every day special. Thank you for watching our zoo adventure.
Like and subscribe for more stories and write your ideas in the comments.
See you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.